You have 5 minutes to pick out something that you want.
Okay,
We're not being in here all day.
I know, but
Chloe, no. Put it back. Grab our cart. Grab our cart. Chloe, come on. No, no, no. Chloe. 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 No. No. Put the cart over here.
no.
What are you doing? What is that, a rocket?
Yeah. Dad, it's coming off. Right now. It's coming off.
Oh, you're about to get in. They're about to put you in jail because that's stealing. If you opened it, that's not good, Papa.
Okay, I'll shut it.
Come here, Grace. Come on. We can't be next to Papa because he's stealing the candy over there.
No, no.
Oh.